Hello students, in our chapter overhead, today we will get knowledge about collection of overheads. Overheads are collected under various heads. Some points are to be kept in mind while choosing a head for such collection. First point is there should be only one head for expenses of similar nature. One head for expenses of similar nature. Second is position and area or scope of the heads must be clear. Heads resembling or synonymous to each other should not be chosen. Otherwise, there will be a chance of similar expenses being collected under different heads. And the next is number of heads should not be small that expenses of different nature have to be placed under one head, and number of heads should not be so large that collection work becomes difficult or inconvenient. For easy identification, heads should be allotted code number. Code number for each head. Code number should be having two place of decimal so that in future if number of heads increases, code number may be easily to be allotted to newly introduced head. For example, factory overheads may be given in code number 1, administrative overheads code number 2, selling and distribution overheads may be given code number 3. Code number allotted to factory overheads are conventionally called standing order number, and code number of administrative and selling overheads are also called cost account number. Code 1 for factory overhead. Code number 2 for administrative expenses or administrative overhead. Code number 3 for selling and distribution. Overhead. Factory overhead called standing order number. Standing order number for factory overhead. Administrative overhead also known as cost account number. And selling and distribution overheads also called cost account number. Under each of these main heads requisites some number of subheads can be maintained. Code number of any subhead should be also indicate the main head. Giving the subhead to a code number in two place of decimal is useful in the sense that is 99. Subheads can be collected under the main head If the organization classified the overheads and functions basic, some sample are here. Take first head, factory overhead is also called standing order number. Some subhead should be salary. We can give code number 1.01, salary for foreman. Salary for manager, and code must be 1.02. This is subhead under the main head, factory overhead. There are also subheads for insurance like building, insurance of building under subhead 1.51, plant and machinery subhead must be 1.52, and so on. We can also take subheads for administrative overheads like salary of clerk 2.01, salary of managing director 2.02. Main head is 2 and subhead 0.0102. Depreciation office furniture subhead 2.71, 2.72. Office equipment, depreciation on office equipments. And under the third main head, cost account number, selling and distribution overheads for selling, cost account number for selling and distribution overheads. In this head, we can take subheads for salary, salary for sales manager, and subhead should be 3.01. Salary of sales representative should be 3.02. Collections of overheads should be done regularly. These may be collected from stores, requisition note and wages analysis book, invoice, journal, cash book, and other registers and reports.